viewers to Startup News. I am Aishwarya Nair. My Startup TV is the world's first online TV channel for startups, investors, and enablers. On the My Startup TV app, you can watch live startup news, views, and debate. If you have a story, we will cover it. Download the app from Google Play Store. Top headlines for today are: RBI to launch UPI for feature phones to boost digital payments. Twitter acquires messaging app Quill. Byju's acquires Austria-based math platform GeoGebra. Now the news in detail are: Reserve Bank of India Governor Shaktikanta Das has announced that the central bank will launch a UPI-based payment product for feature phone users. It is also planning to make an internet-free UPI payment system a possibility in the coming days. Twitter has acquired Slack-like messaging app Quill, which will help Twitter improve its direct messaging tool and make it more useful. New Twitter CEO Parag Agrawal stated that his first priority in the new role is to improve the company's execution and streamline how the microblogging platform operates. EdTech major Byju's announced it has acquired Austria's math platform GeoGebra in a $100 million deal. It runs an interactive mathematics learning tool with a community of over 100 million learners spread across 195 countries. Ride-hailing giant Ola has raised $139 million at a valuation of about $7.3 billion as a part of its Series J funding round led by Edelweiss's private equity. It also plans to file for an IPO early next year. MapMyIndia's IPO opens today for subscription. The price band for the public issue has been fixed at Rs 1,000 to Rs 1,033 per share. The IPO is going to close on December 13th. Bangalore-based Simple Energy plans to invest up to $330 million in new capacity to make electric scooters with support from the government in the southern state of Tamil Nadu. Delhivery, a new-age logistics service provider, has acquired California-based Transition Robotics, which develops unmanned aerial system platforms. It has not yet disclosed the financial details. Polygon has partnered with technology innovation management firm Lumus Labs to launch the Polygon Leap Acceleration 2021 that aims to support Indian startups operating in Web3 space. The partnership aims to build innovation token economies and get access to mentorship, the ecosystem, and marketing support. Exponent Energy, a technology startup into EV, has announced that it has secured $5 million in a pre-Series A round of funding. The company recently unveiled their battery pack and charging station called ePack and ePump that together unlocks a 15-minute rapid charge and gives 3,000 cycle life warranty. AI-powered SaaS startup SpoofSense has raised $150,000 led by Jito Angel Network and other angel investors. It plans to use the funds for further R&D, team building, and marketing. That's all for today. Thanks for watching.